Hey guys, in this video we're going to be comparing Servicenow, Salesforce versus Code. Okay, so which one is the best CRM and business management tool for you? So we're going to be comparing all of these three. So, watch around till the end so you don't miss the key differences. Now let's get started first with Servicenow. This is actually a very powerful cloud-based platform. It's mainly built for service management and workflow automation. Okay, it basically shines when it comes to streamlining those complex business processes. It's actually a top choice, as you can see, for a lot of large enterprises, most of the Fortune 500 companies. Okay, and also integrates well with other tools, basically helping these companies create a connected, efficient system. There is downsides though. The downside is that ServiceNow can be complicated to set up, and customizing it usually requires experienced professionals. Okay, just keep that in mind. So this makes it less ideal for small businesses and with limited tech resources. Now let's next talk about Salesforce. This is one of the most well-known CRM platforms in the world. Okay, it's widely used for sales, marketing, and customer support with strong, actually ad powered analytics, deep customization options. And there's a massive ecosystems of apps, okay, through this. So, the exchange of the Salesforce, the apps, it helps businesses scale quickly and actually stay competitive. On the flip side, though, I would say it's not cheap. Okay, if you look at the pricing, it is on the pricier side. So just keep that in mind. But mastering its advanced features also, like, it takes time. It takes proper training, right? And let's clarify something about Code. Okay, now unlike the other two, Code is not a CRM or business management tool. It's actually an educational platform that's focused on teaching, programming, and it offers interactive lessons and beginner-friendly courses, which basically makes it perfect for students and anyone new to coding. It's actually free. It's widely used in schools. Okay, and it doesn't offer the tools needed though for business operations or enterprise level solutions. But so you can go for ServiceNow if you are looking for automation, manage your services, especially for large organizations. Salesforce for businesses focused on customer relationships and growth. And Code, of course, is a fantastic starting point for learning programming. Not managing a business though. Let me know in the comments though which one will work for you the best and which one you would be going for. So if you found this helpful and you appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.